How to check password of Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you check password of Instagram account. So let's get started. First, for the iPhone you can check out for the application password app. Simply open password application. After that, at the bottom in the source field, search for Instagram. Now from here, if you find any account of Instagram, simply tap and you can tap on view password. After that, you can just copy that password of your Instagram account. As you can see your Instagram saved password by using your browser, simply open any browser. After that, at the bottom right, tap on three dots. From here, tap on settings. Now from settings, tap on password manager. From here, if you find any option for Instagram, simply tap on that and you can view the password. And that's it. These are the ways from where you can check password of your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.